How to log out of WhatsApp on Android. So on WhatsApp, you'll not be able to find the specific option for logging out. So if you want to log out of your account, what you have to do is simply uninstall the WhatsApp and install it again. Close the WhatsApp. Open App Library. Find the application for WhatsApp and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Once you do that, tap on the option Uninstall that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option OK. Now WhatsApp has been uninstalled. Now you can simply open the Play Store. Tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Tap on the search bar. Search for WhatsApp. Tap on the option Install right next to the option for WhatsApp Messenger. Now wait for a while and WhatsApp will be installed. You can open the WhatsApp and you'll be logged out of your account. Like this, you can log out of WhatsApp on Android. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.